In this video, let us look into a property based on external bisector of an angle of a triangle. What the property says is that the external bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side externally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. Now, let us try and understand this statement with the help of a diagram. Now, what it says is the external bisector of an angle of a triangle. Okay, first of all, we need a triangle here. So let me draw a triangle. So like this, let's name it A, B, C. It says the external bisector of an angle. There is some angle involved in this triangle, right? So let us take that angle as, let's consider that to be as angle A. So there is an angle and there is a triangle. We've got a triangle ABC, there is an angle A. Now there is an external bisector of this angle. So we need the exterior of this angle, right? So let us extend this AB like this and let's name it K. This is the extended version of AB, all right? Now this is going to be the exterior of the angle A. That is CAK is going to be the exterior. Now this exterior angle is going to be bisected. That's what it says. The external bisector of an angle of a triangle. That is the statement. Let's first do this, right? If this is going to be bisected, it's going to be something like this. Angle CAK is bisected, and let's name this D. So angle CAK is bisected by the line AD. So this is the external bisector. So now what happens if this is the scenario, if this is the situation? If the external bisector of an angle of a triangle, now what it does, what this external bisector does is that it divides the opposite side. It divides the opposite side of what? It divides the opposite side of the angle involved, that is angle A, externally. It divides the opposite side BC externally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. The sides that contain the angle A are AB and AC. So that is the ratio in which AD divides the line BC externally. It doesn't divide it just like that, it divides it externally. So yeah. So what that says is, this is what happens. So BD by CD, because AD divides the line BC externally, not internally. So BD by CD, it divides in such a way that it is equal to the ratio of the sides containing the angle. So the sides containing the angle A are AB and AC. So the ratio of those will definitely be AB by AC, right? So this is the property which is based on the external bisector of an angle of a triangle. Let me quickly read it again. It reads like this. The external bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side externally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. Now, this property is not very different from that based on the internal bisector of an angle, just that it divides the line BC internally, but in this case, the line AD divides the line BC externally, right? So that is the only difference. So this is what we've arrived at. This is what the property eventually says. This is what the property is all about. You know, if this is this case, then this is what it leads to. This is what you have to know. Now, this is the end of this video. In the forthcoming videos, let us solve problems based on this property.